Good morning, madam. My name is R. Prashant Reddy. I am from EC department. Today my topic is triple integration. Problem: find the volume of tetrahedron bounded by the plane and x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0, and x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Solution: volume is equals to triple integration dz dy dx on the plane xya plus y by b plus z by c is equals to 1. On the xy plane within triangle OAB, z varies from 0 to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. In this video, z varies from 1 minus x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. X by a plus y by b to take outside, that is z by c equals to 1 minus x by a minus y by b. C varies from 1 minus x by a minus y by b. Here z equal to 0 or x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Y by b is equals to x by, we have to take x by a into RH side, y by b equal to 1 minus x by a, y equal to here b is divided by, to come to RHS he is multiplied, y equal to b into 1 minus x by a. Y varies from y equal to 0 to b into 1 minus 6 by a. X varies from x equal to 0 to x equal to a. Next, the required volume of the tetrahedron. Integral of x equal to 0 to a, integral of y equal to 0 to b into 1 minus 6 by a, integral z equal to 0 to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b, dz dy dx. Here integration dz equal to z, integration x equal to 0 to a, integral y equal to 0 to b into 1 minus x by a, z into 0 to 3 c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b into dy dx. Integral x equal to 0 to a, integral y equal to 0 to b into x 1 minus x by a, c into, we have to substitute c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b minus 0 into dy by dx. C into, we have c is constant, to get remove outside, c into integration of x equal to 0 to a, y, we have integration of 1 minus x by a minus y by b, integration of 1 is y, y minus integration of x by a into y, integration of y is y square by 2 minus 1 by b y square by 2, 0 to b into 1 minus x square by a into dx. C into x equal to 0 to a, we have to substitute the values of b into 1 minus x square by a, y equal to x by a, y minus 1 by b y square by 2, 0 to b into 1 minus x square by a into dx. C into x equal to 0 to a, y into, we have to substitute these values, b into 1 minus x square by a, y into 1 minus x square by a minus 1 by 2b into y square by 2 into 0 to b into 1 minus x by a, x square by a. C into, here we have to substitute the values of in the place of y, b into 1 minus x square x by a, 1 minus x by a minus 1 by 2b into b square by 1 minus x square x by a whole square into dx. Here 1 by 2b into b square, b into b cancel, is equals to c into x equal to 0 to a, 1 minus x by a whole square, b minus, we have to multiply it with b minus b by 2 into dx. We take LCM 2b minus b by 2, take this is constant, b by 2 is a constant, take outside, c by 2, integration of x equal to 0 to a, 1 minus x by a whole square into dx. bc by 2 into x equal, integral of x equal to 0 to a, we have to LCM, take LCM, a into 1 a minus x by a whole square into dx. Next is equals to BC by 2a square integral of x equal to 0 to a minus x square x whole square into dx. BC by 2a square integral of x equal to 0 to a, here a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. We have to apply this formula, a square plus x square minus 2ax into dx. BC by 2a square integral of x equal to 0 to a, integral of 1 equal to x, integral of x square is equals to x cube by 3, integration of x equal to x square by 2, a square into x plus x cube by 3 minus 2a into x square by 2 into x equal to 0 to a. Here 2a into x square by 2 cancel. BC by 2a square into a square, we have to apply the values of x equal 0 to a square into a plus a cube by 3 minus 2a into a square by 2 minus 0, a square into a cube plus a cube by 3 minus 2 cancel, a into a square is equals to a cube, a plus a cube minus a cube cancel. BC by 2a square into a cube by 3, BC by 2a square into 2a square a cube cancel. Totally we have to take the answer a into BC, ABC by 2 into 3, 6, ABC equals to 6 cubic units. We have the values of volume is cubic. Thank you.